Hey, traders. Yeah, it is another great day, another beautiful day, so beautiful day. Welcome to the weekend analysis. It is ASAM Forex again, and I'm going to provide a breakdown of the market now for the coming week now, a 5 days breakdown of the market. So actually make sure that you watch and you incorporate your own analysis, So if you find that what I'm sharing here align with what you think market's going to do, so you can trade. So actually what I'm doing here is not a trading advice. I'm not just providing maybe financial advice, investing advice. No, so make sure that you incorporate your own analysis. These are just my own observations of the market movement for the whole week. But remember, I do updates. Now due to now those changes in market paths. Sometimes I can project now next week is going to be in this way. Then when market opens, it may follow, and at some points it may start now deviating. So I do the now immediate updates on Telegram. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, so make sure that you click now. The link is on our video description. You can click the video in a link description and follow ASAM Forex on Telegram channel. And also we have a discussion group now where people they can ask questions and the like. And also you can follow on Facebook and also on Instagram and Twitter. So everywhere actually, but mostly I suggest Telegram because I'm very active on Telegram. I share updates, most of updates on Telegram. So that is. And if it's your first time now joining this channel here on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. And if you know what actually I have been doing for years, you can share this video now. You can share this video because always I share helpful things now. Let's go straight. I'm going to break down market in 4 different time frames. And I will start with the monthly time frame because I have some things to share there in monthly time frame. And this is gold actually for those who don't know. Now this is gold and it is gold spot. So in monthly time frame, what I can say, we have this level here, this region. Now this region is very significant. Now market has been always turning around this region several times now. So now the first time was on August now 2020, August 2020, and then it turned again in 2022. Now it is 2023, so market is on the same level. So now this is very significant. So it doesn't mean that all the time when markets arrive at this region, it must turn. No, sometimes it's going to pass. When market is at the zone, we actually look on those possible turns. We look on those 2 possible things, either the level rejecting the price or price breaking the level. So those 2 things are possible. So actually we are in the zone now. In the monthly time frame, we are in the zone, and this month is very powerful, bullish. So what is going to happen next? I don't know. So keep watching. In lower time frames, I'm going to provide a clear projection of what is most likely to happen. We have the triple tops here now. This is the 3rd top. So that this going to now does this top is going to reject the price to the downside. So in lower time frames, I'm going to provide a clear projection. So moving to weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, now we have those tops as usual, but I can talk of now in my last week, maybe I can remind you. In my previous week analysis, I talked of those 3 candles here. Now this candle suggesting, now it engulfed the previous bearish candle, so it was suggesting a buy. Then we had this move to the downside, then pushed the upside, then we had this rejection. Now it was also suggesting a buy. So I talked of having a buy, but actually my projection was not that very powerful, you see. I was expecting now price is not going to move beyond this swing high. So that was my projection. The price will not move beyond this swing high. So moving beyond this swing high, that is another story. So we expect a different thing now. That is another story. But actually those 3 candles here, 3 candles down here, they were telling or they were delivering a buy message. They were delivering a buy message. So we have a powerful push and market has crossed with a bullish momentum. So, and it is in a zone. So what do we expect next week? I'm still breaking down in lower time frames to see exactly what's happening. Now let's go to daily time frame. I'm going a little bit quick, at least for you to have a short video. Yeah, so in daily time frame, I can turn on my drawings. I can turn on my drawings. I can turn on my drawings. Okay. So I can turn on my drawings. You see, yeah, those are my drawings and my wave counts. So after turning on my drawings, at least you can have a clear picture of what market is doing now. So now the first thing here to recognize, we have a diagonal pattern. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're in a fifth wave of the diagonal. But for those who knows diagonal pattern, now this is a sort of expanding diagonal, expanding diagonal, expanding diagonal. They are the very rare patterns now. Mostly we know the contracting diagonals. They are the most common now. Now this is expanding diagonal, and now this diagonal is now it will be a leading diagonal. For those who know types of diagonals now, this is a leading diagonal possibly now, because it is at the beginning. Now this was the fourth wave in high degree, so it is at the beginning, so it may be the leading diagonal of the fifth wave up in high degrees. You see, another way is now, because we know fifth waves have characteristics of being maybe truncated. You know, for those who know Elliott waves, now they know the idea of truncation. So sometimes fifth wave have characteristics of being truncated. So now if this is going to be a truncated fifth wave, so this is going to be an ending diagonal. Now the fifth wave will just end up there, not breaking the previous swing high. You see, we had this previous swing high. So if this is not going to break this previous swing high, then end up there, then pushing down straight. So actually this will be a truncated fifth, and now this will be no longer a leading diagonal of the fifth wave. This will be now the ending diagonal. So because now a fifth wave can take a form of diagonal, so actually that is possible. So those are just very big things now for those who don't know waves. A lot of waves, actually they can be confusing. They might be confusing things, but actually I'm not going deeper on those things because I don't need people to be confused. So maybe let me go straight talking of those levels that I had last week. Now you see the levels I had last week. So actually last week, you see, market was at this level. You see this level. So I was expecting this level may hold true, now rejecting price to the downside. You see this level, but now you will find that the price passed this level with the difficulties, and finally broken above. After breaking, you see how powerfully price pushed up on Friday. So on Friday, price successfully pushed up and closed those two levels. Now it closed those two levels. This level here, I thought this would be the maximum rise. Price will move without breaking the level. So it broken the level and closed above, and still it has some power, buying power. It still have some buying power, buying power. You see. So now what is going to happen if prices still have some buying power? Will it still continue to buy? You see, and it has broken the level. So what's going to happen at this region? So let me go to 4-hour time frame to see exactly what is possibly going to happen now. What is possibly going to happen? What is possibly going to happen? So, and after going to 4-hour time frame, we have the 5-wave move now. You see, the 5-wave move up. So this 5-wave move up now, it marks completion of the movement to the upside. And now we have this upper channel of the diagonal. So mostly price is mostly likely to hit this channel. Now price is most likely to hit this channel. It mostly likely, not necessary all the time that it must touch, no, but it's mostly likely to hit this channel. So if that's the idea, how market is going to move on Monday, you see how market's going to move. So on Monday, let's expect, because the prices still have some power, and the whole region here is very significant for sellers to come in. So price may keep on pushing up, to complete this move up straight like this. That is one of the possible market move. And after price has hit this level is when we'll be looking for sell formations. Now, beautiful sales are going to happen around this region. So mostly look for sales when the price is around 2052 now, 2052. So it's very beautiful level now. Gold is hitting 2000 level, so it's very beautiful. And alternatively, price may do sort of sideways movement. You see, sideways movement, retesting this broken level. Then after retesting, it may straight push up like this. You see, that is an alternative move now. This is an alternative move. Price may move to the sideways, and white is going to move in a sideways. I can zoom again like this. I can zoom like this. Now, if I need to do a detailed description of this final move is just a 1, 2, 3. So it will be moving in a sideways in the fourth wave. Then finally, it's going to complete the fifth wave to the upside like that. So this is possible. This is possible. This is possible. This is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the sideways, then 5 to the upside. Then after, at the same region, is when we'll be looking for sales. So that's the overall idea for the coming week. You see, guys, you can add your own analysis. So price is most likely to retest the level. Add your own analysis. Price is most likely to retest the level, then it can push into the upside, or it may move straight to the upside. So all in all, we'll be looking for buys. We'll be looking for buys in the coming week. And if now price is going to move that very fast, if price is going to move very fast in the fifth of the fifth, because you know safety characteristics of the fifth of the fifth, when the price is going to move just very fast up and then strongly down, is when we get those or weak. It may create some weak here. It may move up sharply and hit inside. So we can not effectively buy it sometimes. So if that happens, we'll be now putting the stop. If that happens, we'll be putting the stop. So guys, that's the overall outlook. If you have got any question, you can write in the comment section. And if you have got any addition or suggestion, you can write